Welcome to the third day of the unboxing. If I remember right, 3 was next to 2. And, ooh, that feels pretty light. But I will turn you around and we will open it. Okay, day 3 feels light. It is eyelashes. That's not really my thing, but I'm sure somebody would enjoy it. And that's that. And also, if you followed along on the blog, I've gotten $50 already, so one day as a dud doesn't really, but we do have the return of the cute little things. Let's see. Eyes on the prize, stay focused, end goal. And then it says, they say I'm tunnel visioned and only look ahead. Gotta have your eyes on the prize. Remember your goals don't go to bed. So stay focused and find a way, because we're heading to the destination of our dreams. This journey is speeding up, babe, and the reward is closer than it seems. So we will just go ahead and apply some highlighter today. I think we are going to go, actually we're gonna stick in moving this way. So we've got the third highlighter, my little marker. Apparently I have a lot of pink, which maybe that's why I'm drawn to the calendar. So dressed a little bit better today because I am actually leaving the house. Tasher has a certain surgery today, and then Cupie's got to go for a checkup. Again, I like this. Eyeshadow's a lot quicker over here, but see, you can see the shine. So, I like this. And then we will put on some of the setting spray. I'd like to see how this works. Yesterday, I noticed later in the day that it didn't seem to be helping very much, but also I had not put moisturizer, primer, actually taken time with everything so that it doesn't surprise me that it didn't help anything, because I hadn't done anything to help it. So here we go. And hit that, and we are good to go. I will see you tomorrow morning.